Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join the Call of Whales Limited concert and Heartopia Call of Whales event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to go to the Call of Whales event menu and click on this fashion activity. And one of the fashion activities is this Call of Whales Limited concert. And this concert happens every day at 7 p.m. So make sure you are stay in the game during that moment to join the concert. Okay, and I'm going to go to the concert area. It's right here. Okay, and you can complete your goals, so you will get reward. Okay, now the concert is being started. Wow, it's firework music show, and I need to use any solo action once. Okay, we need to complete the personal goals. Okay, I'm going to use the collab action, and then you can also take a photo of the concert like this. You can either choose use one action or take a photo at the concert. And after the concert is over, there will be some bubbles that we can pop to claim free rewards. Well, there are a lot of bubbles here, and each bubble will give you rewards. So try to pop the bubble as much as you can. Oops. Okay, we only have 2 minutes to pop the bubble. Okay guys, and that's how you can join the Call of Whales concert in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!